Hello and welcome back to First Secret. This is Ahmad Wellington. If you do not have experience or do not have funds, it might be very difficult in order to start a new business, and it also might be very overwhelming. But there's a concept of chaos. If you follow that concept, you can be able in order to start a business with no experience and no funding or very little funding. And the best thing is that what I'm going to tell you here, it does not cost a lot. You can use a free tool such as Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and other software that do not cost that much. What is the content of the method chaos? Or what is the content of chaos method? That is concept, audience, offer, and sales. And within the concept, then you have to have a very good concept. Then you have to have a clear concept of your products and your services that you are going to bring into the market, and try to understand the total addressable market, the big market in which you can just take a very tiny part of it and still you can profit out of it, or you can generate income. And the second point is the audience. Here you need to try in order to involve the audience while you are trying to find solution or to get a product or service in the market. You try to ask them, you try to involve them in questioning them what they want, how they want their service or product, and what is their budget to spend, for example. When you collect this information, then you can go and start your services or products. And you have to do in a way that you first ask the customer what the customer wants, and then you have to start the reverse engineering. And here we have two types of customers. One of them is a dormant customer, and that is not solution aware and also is not actively looking for solutions. This dormant customer is a problem aware, but he is not a solution aware. He is not actively looking for solutions. And we have another type of customer, and that is a problem aware and the solution aware, or he is actively looking for solution of the problem that he is facing, or that is painful to him. After you get the information from the customer, then you are going to construct an offer. And while you are constructing the offer, after you got the information from the customer, then you do that reverse engineering. And here you might put your offer in 3 stages: bronze, silver, and gold stages. And the gold stages is the one that you are putting whatever you have in order to construct that type of offer. And finally you come to the sales. When you find a pool of people there, those people that you consulted them, that you got information from them, and they have big problem that hurts a lot and they want to solve it, and preferably if they have a heavy pocket, then they will pay you good. And within that sale, there's a DNA of value. And what is the DNA of value? DNA of value is the current reality that your customer is in, and there's a desired reality that your customer wants to be there, but there are concepts and obstacles in between. The customer tried but cannot be able to, in order to solve those problems, and then here you come with your solution. So here you come with your value, and the best way is to communicate your value to the customer in a way that it is logic and it has the emotional relevance to your customer. And also, what are the consequences if your customer says no to your offer? And if you do that, then you can be able, in order to start a business with less funding and less experience. And if you get value out of this video, don't forget to like it and also share with your friends and your family members. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. This is Ahmad Wellington.